Okay, good morning student. Today we will start chapter number 6 probability, which you have only one exercise, exercise 6. First of all, you have to remember this formula of probability. That probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes or events divided by total number of outcomes or events. Okay, so probability means एक तरह की संभावना, chances क्या होते हैं. तो let's take the questions. So first question is your fill-ups. So first question is the probability of sure event. Sure event की probability क्या होती है? हमेशा हमें पता ही है ये काम होना ही होना है. तो sure event की probability हमेशा 1 होती है. 1. Understood my point? Suppose you have I have a box with white balls. तो क्या probability है कि उसमें से red ball निकले? तो 0 है ना. तो वो ये हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट जो है, इम्पॉसिबल मतलब है ही, वो इम्पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. जो इवेंट, जो आउटकम पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होती है? हमेशा 0. याद रखना प्रोबेबिलिटी का जो आंसर है दैट ऑलवेज लाइज बिटवीन 0 एंड 1. मतलब 0 भी हो सकती है, 1 भी हो सकती है, but probability lies between the answer of probability lies between 0 and 1. Third fill-up is the empirical probability of an event can never be a greater than 1 से ज्यादा नहीं है. तो थर्ड का आंसर क्या हो गया हमारा? 1. कि probability 1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती. 1 के इक्वल हो सकती है, 1 से लेस देन हो सकती है, बट 1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकती. क्योंकि 100% से ज्यादा, जैसे प्रोबेबिलिटी मैं कहूं कि आई हैव अ बॉक्स इन 2 बॉल्स. ओके, तो क्या 2 बॉल्स प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि उसमें से 2 बॉल्स निकले? तो 100% और इट मीन 1. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ श्योर इवेंट और द आंसर ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी लाइज बिटवीन 0 and 1. सो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज, सॉरी फोर्थ पार्ट, दिस इज थर्ड पार्ट and this is second part. First question का first part है. तो now fourth part is n trials of random experiment. If an event E m times the probability E is equal to, तो m times आए तो आंसर आया m upon n. क्योंकि हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या है? फेवरेबल अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम. तो इसमें फेवरेबल है हमारा m. फेवरेबल वो होता है जो क्वेश्चन में, जो हमारा क्वेश्चन होता है एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है उसने, दैट इज आर फेवरेबल आउटकम्स. और टोटल नंबर कि उसमें से टोटल नंबर आउटकम्स कितने हैं. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं सिंपल सी. सपोज आई हैव अ कॉइन ऑफ हैविंग 1 रुपी कॉइन इज देयर. तो 1 रुपी कॉइन में या तो हेड आ सकता है या टेल आ सकता है ना. अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट. तो टोटल इवेंट्स कितने हैं? टोटल आउटकम्स है 2 आउटकम्स, बट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हेड की क्या है? हेड कितने हैं? ये 1 है, तो 1. क्योंकि हमारा फेवरेबल कितना हो गया? 1. टोटल कितने? 2. तो समझ आ गया कैसे लिखना है? फेवरेबल अपॉन टोटल ऐसे लिखते हैं. तो फिफ्थ पार्ट जो है, इफ द क्रिकेट मैच अ बैट्समैन हिट 8 times out of 50 balls. So I am explaining here fifth part. 8 times boundary she has done out of 50 balls. Then the probability she did not hit the boundary. तो out of 50 balls कितनी balls उसने boundary hit नहीं की? तो 50 minus 8 that is 42. तो probability क्या होगी कि that she did not hit the boundary. She did not hit the boundary. It can be equal to 42. 42 हमारी होगी फेवरेबल अपॉन टोटल. So this is the answer of first 5 parts. The second question, a coin is tossed in at random 500 times. So total number of events we have, total number of outcomes कितने होंगे? 500. Okay. And it is given we got head 245 times and tail, या अगर हेड में है तो टेल आया होगा, तो would be, it is 255 times tail iron. Now your question is, what is the probability of getting a head? So probability of getting a head is, first of all write down the formula. I have written at the top. You have to write down each and every question again and again. हेड की प्रोबेबिलिटी फेवरेबल कितने हैं हेड क्वेश्चन हमारा हेड है तो फेवरेबल हो गए 245 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स टोटल कितने हैं 500 अगर कटिंग हो रही है तो कर दो नहीं तो दैट दिस इज आंसर आप ऐसे भी छोड़ सकते हो आंसर को सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग हेड इज दिस सेम द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग टेल इज 255 upon 500 okay everyone to the third one. In third question, a survey of 200 children. So it means total outcomes are given 200. याद रखना जो total है that is always the total outcomes. So it was found that 142 like outdoor games, while 58 like indoor games. So outdoor games like how many students 142 and 58 like indoor games. It is given in the question. Okay everyone, now our question is find the probability that a child choose a random indoor games. So indoor games की probability क्या हो जाएगी? I am writing in short form. So indoor games की probability हो जाएगी. First of all, you will write down the formula. Favorable upon total number. Favorable indoor games की कितनी है? 58 and total is 200. So this is the answer. This is the first part. Second part is probability of getting a outdoor games. How many students like outdoor games? So answer is 140 divided by 200. This is the answer. Okay. In fourth question, a football match team scores 6 goals out of 42 times. So find the probability of team not scoring a goal. So it is same as your previous question, second one. Sorry, first ka fifth part. Okay. So now let's discuss the fifth question. In this question, a dice is thrown 800 times. It means total number of outcomes is 800. Now we have to find the probability of happening each item. Each item की probability find out करनी. So outcome जो 1 है वो 150 times आया. It means probability of getting a 1 is 150. क्योंकि 151 कितने टाइम्स आया? टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने हैं 150 अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स टोटल कितने हैं 800. So this is the answer. Similarly, probability of getting a 2 is 120 upon 800 and 3 is 144 upon 800 and so on, and probability of 6 is 120 upon 800. Understood? So in this way you will write down the answer. And sixth question is same as this fifth one. So try it yourself. Okay? But in seventh question, a section of 7th class consists of 45 students. So total student we have given 45, in which 15 are boys and rest are girls. So how many girls are there? Just subtract it. So there are 30 girls. Now we have to find the probability of student chosen at random is a boy. So probability of getting a boy is, first of all write down the formula, number of favorable outcomes. How many boys are there? 15 upon total. Total is 45. Cutting is there? Yes. So this is the answer. This is the probability of a boy. What is the probability of girls? Boys, girls. So girls we have 30 upon 45. Yes, it is cutting on table of 15. So 2.3 is the answer. Okay. Student, in 8th question, we have given a table in which it is given that the table shows the weekly pocket money of the student. So it means rupees 75. How many students will take 75 rupees? 5. 9 students take 100 rupees. 15 students 125. Similarly, in this given in this table. So first step is write down the total number of students. This is the total number of students. So is 40. Okay. Now we have to find the probability that the weekly pocket money is 125. Okay. Weekly pocket money rupees 125 हो. Weekly pocket money. So what is the probability in which weekly pocket money is 125? There are 15 students out of total number of students. How many total number of students are there? 40. Now cutting is there. 3 पे जो आ रही है, sorry 5 पे 3 8. So 3.8 is the answer of the first part. Okay everyone. Now in second part you have given less than 200. So probability of less than rupees 200. How many students getting less than 200? So 200 को छोड़ के बाकी सारे कितने स्टूडेंट बने? 200 have only one student. So बाकी कितने बच गए? 39 students. So आपकी probability आ गई 39/40. This is the answer. Okay everyone. Now in third part you have a question that more than 120 rupees. So probability of getting more than 120 is equal to, more than 120 means this 125 भी आएगा, ये सारे स्टूडेंट आएंगे. So 15 plus 7 22 25 and 26. So 26/40. Yes, 2 पे क्या 13/20. So this is the answer of this question. So by this you have completed this exercise. Thank you everyone.